It's hard to listen to a heart beating close to mine, pounding up against the stone and steel walls that I can't climb. Sometimes the hurt is so deep, 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 you think that you're gonna drown. Sometimes all I can do is weep, weep, weep with this rain coming down. Strange how hard it rains now. Rows and rows of big dark clouds, but I'm holding on underneath this shroud. Rain. It's hard to know when to give up the fight. Two things you want will just never be right. It's never rained like it has tonight before. Now I don't wanna beg you, baby, for something maybe you could never give. I'm not asking for the rest of your life. I just want another chance to live. Strange how hard it rains now. Rows and rows of big dark clouds, but I'm holding on underneath this shroud. Rain. Oh, strange how hard it rains now. Rows and rows of big dark clouds, but I'm still alive underneath this shroud. Rain. Oh, rain. Oh, rain. You know, storms come, don't they? Like they're inevitable. No one is immune to the storms. And for the longest time, rain was this very irritating thing for me. If I had my hair straight, well now of course because it's naturally curly, it's going to be frizzy. If I wanted to wear flip-flops, well of course that wasn't an option. And there was just all these restrictions that went along with rain. And something has just shifted in my heart tonight. And I'm looking at it brand new. You know, whenever it starts to rain, man, it can just wreak havoc. Tons and tons and tons of water comes down so quickly, and you're not prepared for it, and it makes everything frustrating, and it's more difficult to get where you need to go. More preparation is needed. But when the rain stops, what do you find? Everything has gotten a taste of cleansing. The ground, the trees, the flowers, everything in its path is cleansed and brand new and fresh. And so tonight, that's what I'm choosing to see the rain as. And of course, it's not just the physical rain that I'm talking about. It's this thing we're not immune to. These storms in our life. That on the other side, that when we wake up tomorrow, everything will be fresh and clean and brand new. And we have a choice to look at these storms in our life that way, or we can continue to run from them and hunker down and simply protect ourselves, or we can walk through them grow through them, and come out cleansed on the other side. No matter what you're going through tonight, I want to encourage you that you will make it. You will get through this storm. It is not more powerful than you. You got this. You hear me? We got this. Oh, strange how hard it rains now. Rows and rows of big dark clouds, but we're still alive underneath this shroud. Rain, oh rain, oh rain. Love you guys.